Every summer, it seems that there is a new record set as to how quickly our planet is warming up. Hello, my name is Amna Ifo, and today I'm going to be talking about how we can help our environment and why we should be doing so. Firstly, I'm going to be talking about the benefits of public transportation, followed by the importance of recycling, and then I'm going to finish off with how we can stop wasting food at home. Public transportation works wonders for both our environment and for our people. The United Nations said that 2.2 tons can be removed from our annual carbon footprint by taking public transportation rather than traveling alone. Another ton can be docked off by utilizing carpooling whenever possible. The Paris Agreement said that over the next 50 years, 4.5 million deaths, 1.4 million hospitalizations, and 440 million tons of lost crops can be avoided if we were to lower our annual carbon footprint. In the United States alone, if an American were to lower their carbon footprint, 2/3 of those benefits could be reaped. And greenhouse gases, when they get stuck in the atmosphere, they warm up our planet. And in the United States, it's said that by 2070, heat exposure will have killed twice as many people as air pollution does. Now, moving from pollution in our air to pollution in the ocean, I'm going to be talking about the importance of recycling and how it cultivates a cleaner environment. In 2020, it was said that 700,000 jobs opened up because of the recycling business, which yielded approximately $38 million in wages. We know that recycling materials is beneficial, but so is using those recycled materials. And it was found by manufacturers that 70% of production energy, we can use 70% less production energy by using recycled plastics, 40% less when using recycled newspapers, and another 40% less when using recycled glass. So we know that wasting materials only has negative effects on our land, on our energy, and on our safety. But what about wasted foods? Wasting foods does not only revolve around social and humanitarian issues, but it also affects our environment. And according to the World Wildlife Fund, 1.3 billion tons of food is wasted every year, aka 1/3 of the food produced every year, aka roughly enough to feed every malnourished person on the planet. And although it doesn't seem like too much, all human-caused greenhouse gases can be reduced by 6 to 8% by wasting less food. And in the United States alone, wasted food accounts for approximately 32 million cars worth of carbon emissions annually. So enough with the numbers and the data. Let's talk about how we can actually stop wasting food at home. At home, overripe fruits and vegetables may not seem too appetizing on their own, but we can use them in smoothies and stews and jams. If that doesn't work, we can put our food and produce in the freezer because they'll be edible for longer and they'll still be just as nutritious. And if all else fails, we can use leftovers as ingredients in homemade recipes and in any recipes found on the countless websites and mobile apps that help with this. To conclude, I'm going to recount all the information. Firstly, we talked about public transportation and the Paris Agreement and how we should hopefully be seeing a reduction in annual carbon dioxide emissions. Secondly, we talked about the significance of recycling with an emphasis on energy conservation. And lastly, we touched upon at-home life and how we can find solutions to not waste so much. Now it's your turn. How will you help our planet? Thank you.